Hello everyone, this is lesson number 30, HSK free, and let's continue. Let's repeat what we learned before. 历史 history, 体育 sports, physical education, 鸽子 head, 车站 bus stop or railway station sometimes, 数学 math, 自行车 bike or bicycle, I short low, 方便 convenient, 骑 to ride something, for example, bicycle or horse. 旧 old, used, worn. 旧换 to exchange, to change. 地方 no 不是地方 place 地方。中介 agent 中介。主要 main or mainly sometimes. Oh, sometimes main. First word for today is 环境 environment 环境 The park's environment is very good. 公园的环境很好公园的环境 so environment of the park 公园的环境很好 is very good. 公园的环境很好 The environment affects health. 环境影响健康环境 environment 影响 affects 影响 or has affection of something or环境影响 so affects is good one so, impression 不是 impression OK 环境 environment 影响 affects 影响健康 health so environment affects health 环境影响健康 The environment of this place is quiet 这个地方环境安静这个地方 this place 这个地方环境 environment 安静 quiet 这个地方环境安静 This environment of this place is quiet. Next one 附近 neighborhood or nearby 附近 The area near the station is very lively. 附近 let's see 车站附近很热闹车站 the area of the station 附近 so near the station 车站附近很 very 热闹 lively vivid 车站附近很热闹 Let's take another example. Maybe it's not so clear. There is a park near my house. 我家附近有公园。我家 my home 附近 near so near my home 我家附近有公园 has a park 有公园。我家附近有公园。The nearby environment is very beautiful. 附近的环境很美。附近的 so nearby 附近的环境 so environment near this place 附近的环境很美 very beautiful as you can see 近 it's close to something 最近我们最近 near lately 附近的环境很美。Next word is 新 new. I think we already know this word. I bought a new bicycle. 我买了新自行车。我买了 I bought 新 new 自行车 bicycle. 我买了新自行车。I bought a new bicycle. As you can see, 买了 it's past simple. And 新 new. New clothes are very expensive. 新衣服很贵。新衣服 new clothes 很贵 is very expensive. 新衣服很贵。The new house is very tall. 新房子很高。新房子 new house 新房子 new house 很高 very tall. 新房子很高。房子 apartment or house. So new house is very tall 很高。Next word is exactly 高 tall high or height. It could be everything. Let's see. He's very tall. 他个子很高。His height is very high. But you also can say 他很高. Also, he's very tall. 他个子很高. Also, you can say like that. The new house is very high. 新房子很高。New house 新房子很高 very tall. But it's not tall here, it's high because it's about house. 新房子很高. The new house is very high. The tree grows very tall. 树长得很高。树长. So tree here's 长. It's to grow. So 树长 the tree grows, and they represent at which manner, how much it tall. 长得很高 grows very tall. 长得很高。树长得很高。Next one is 难 difficult. Math is very difficult. 数学很难。数学 math 很难 very difficult. 数学很难。Riding a bike uphill is very difficult. 骑车上山很难。骑车 to ride a bicycle. Here it's implied it's bicycle. 骑车 or you can say 骑自行车。骑车上山上 it's up. 山 it's a mountain. And 山上上山上山上山. You can read it like 山 with a soft end, or you can shan with a hard end. Shang shan. I think shan is okay. 骑车上山很难. So uphill here is up 这个山 and shan is uphill or just go up to mountains, up to the top of the mountains. 骑车上山很难. Ride a bicycle to the top is very difficult. History isn't difficult to study. 历史不难学，不难学。历史 history 不难 not hard to do what? 不难学 to not hard to study. Because 难学 is hard to study, but 不难学 not hard, not difficult. 历史不难学。难 difficult. Next one is 胖 胖 fat 胖 He's a little fat. He's a little fat. He has a little fat. 他有点胖。他有点胖。He's a bit fat. 他有点 has a bit of 胖 fat. So 他有点胖。I was very fat before. 我以前很胖。我以前 is before because 以后 is after 以前 is before 我以前很胖 very fat I was very fat before 我以前很胖 Fat people ride bikes slowly 胖的人骑车慢胖的人 so 人 person but which person 胖的人 fat person fat people 胖的人骑车 ride bicycle because if it's 开车 it's to drive a car but if you 骑车 it's to ride a car but of course it's not car it's bicycle 骑车 to ride bikes 慢 slow 慢 or could be slowly or could 骑车的很慢骑车骑得很慢 also could be 胖的人骑车慢 fat people ride bicycle very slowly 胖的人骑车慢 Next one is also we already know it's 贵 expensive 贵 New clothes are very expensive 新衣服很贵新衣服 new clothes 很贵 very expensive 很贵 The bicycle is too expensive 自行车太贵了自行车 bicycle 太贵了太贵了 too expensive 太贵了自行车太贵了 This place is very expensive For example restaurant 这个地方很贵不是很贵很贵这个地方很贵 This place is very expensive 这个地方很贵 And last one for today is 远 far away 远 Sometimes could be read like yuan but it's yuan The station is very far 车站很远车站station 很远很远很远对车站很远很远 the station is very far away My house is far from the park 我家离公园很远我家 my house 离 from 公园 park 我家离公园 my house from park 公园很远 very far away 很远 very far away 我家离公园很远 so 我 my house 我家离 from 公园 from park 很远 very very far away so 我家离公园很远 My house is far away from the park okay And last one far places are not convenient 远的地方不方便远的地方远的 the far 这个地方 places that far away 远的地方far places 不方便 not convenient 远的地方不方便the places are far away 远的地方 不方便 not convenient。圆的地方不方便，方便不方便，对啊。So let's repeat what we learned today. 环境，环境 environment。附近，附近 neighborhood or nearby。新女，高 tall high or height。高难 difficult。胖 fat 胖。贵 expensive。and 远 far away 远。And let's know new idiom for today. Last time we learned 干干净净. It was pretty easy, spotlessly clean. 不闻 also good. Ignore everyone. Today we learned a new one. 跑来跑去. It's not idiom for really to say. Let's say 跑 is to run, 来 is to come, 去 is to go. Run back and forth. He ran back and forth and is very tired. 他跑来跑去，很累。So he ran back, he ran forward, 很累 very tired. It's not really idiom, it's a grammar construction. 跑来跑去 because not 跑 you can remove this 跑 with another verb. For example, 找 to search for something. So 找来找去 to search here, to search there. Or 走来走去 to walk here, walk back, walk forward. So. Or 飞来飞去 also could be fly here, fly there. So it's more about, but mostly works with 跑来跑去. But every verb could be here. So that's all for today. See you in the next one.